Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today there is one set screw air compressor system ready to ship to Chile. Here there is one set 18.5 kilowatt screw air compressor and 1,000 liters air storage tank. One set plate type refrigerator air dryer, and 3 level precision features. Okay, now please our colleagues to help us open the air compressor cabinet to let us see the inside of the screw air compressor machine. This is one set 18.5 kilowatt screw air compressor. This is the pre-fitted screen. It's very easily to do the maintenance and replacement. It can make sure more clean air to enter the air compressor cabinet to extend the maintenance time of the air filter element and also can extend the using life of the screw air compressor machine. Here is the electric cabinet. As for the electric component, ZIQI compressor adopted the French Schneider brand. It's a well-known and good brand in the world, quality assurance. And here is the PLC, a small transfer. Okay, here is the key part, screw air range. As for ZIQI GAS series compressor adopted England brand, USA England brand screw air range is originating from Germany GHH brand. Its biggest and earliest screw air range manufacturer in the world, quality assurance, and with most advanced 5-to-6 tooth ratio to make sure the screw air range with higher efficiency than ordinary. It's more stable working with higher efficiency. And this is another key part, the main electric motor. As for ZIQI GAS series compressor adopted Brazil WEG brand. WEG is the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. IP5 fire protection, Class 5 insulation, Class B temperature rise, suitable for any harsh environment. And especially it adopted IE4, the super premium efficiency, and is a 3-phase induction or synchronous motor. The IE4, the class IE4 efficiency never weak after working. Okay, the air compressor is belt driving. As for ZIQI compressor adopted the Germany Opit belt brand. It's a Germany brand. Quality assurance. This is the oil air vessel, bigger size than ordinary. To make sure good filter efficiency, and is equipped with a safety valve, pressure gauge, and your oil level mirror. And inside equipped with a Germany feature materials at the inside of the oil air vessels to make sure a good filter efficiency and a lower pressure drop with a higher efficiency. Okay, this is the oil tuber. It's Italy Manulier brand. It's also a lead brand of the oil tuber manufacturer in the world. The using life, the service time is 5 times than ordinary, and with ZIQI unique connection technology to make sure 100% non-oil leakage. As for the base, you can see with the 4 pieces the shock pad to make sure the air compressor working with lower vibration and lower noises when the air compressor working. And here is a special design for the electric motor to make sure more convenient to adjust the tension of the belt, and is also very convenient for replacement. You just need to screw out the nut and then adjust the tension of the belt, so it's very convenient. Okay. As for ZIQI compressor, the design using life is over 30 years, so the cabinet is also very thick than ordinary. And here is a special system for the prefeature. This is the air feature. The environment air enters through here. Air intake, the inlet valve. Okay. Here is the air storage tank, 1,000 liters. It's a Xinjiang brand. It's also Erdist, the pressure vessel manufacturer in China with good quality. And here with 3 levels Italy technology precision features, and it's very easily to do the maintenance. It just need to screw out the shear. And here is the set flat type refrigerator air dryer with environment friendly refrigerant, and the plate type with higher driving efficiency. Okay, if you are interested in the school air compressor machine, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.